Customer complaints vibration when stepping on the brake pedal. This is, common fault on cars that uses rotor disc. So someone may ask, what is the causes of this when it happens? The causes of it is that this rotor disc is it's a steel. It's a steel. So let's say it's a metal steel. So whenever you drive for a long distance, you have to avoid washing your car, because once you have drive for a long period of time, know that automatically the disc become heated, and whenever water enter into any metal that is heat, it automatically weak the metal and get this result. So you have to avoid washing your car whenever you drive in a long distance or long period of time. This is possible things, or tip number 1. Tip number 2 is that some people live in water area, water locations, bad roads. So every day, every night, every week, every month, these cars are passing through a lot of water, and looking at the result, it will automatically affect your the disc. And these are the common things, because if the road is not good, it will happen. You cannot change your location. Once you are using the same location, you may experience this in some seasons. So whenever it happens, contact your mechanic and let your mechanic assist and check all the discs and do it for you as it is shown in the video. There are some particular experts. Not everyone is expert, and let me remind you, never remove a disc and send it to normal machine shop for them to late for you. You have to send it to a specialist who is working on rotor disc. Sending it to normal machine shop will result to increase your vibration more, because they don't have any special tool to late it for you. So avoid it and make sure you send it to local. Avoid it and make sure you send it to a specialist to do it for you. We are doing it for our customers for over 15 years, and it's helping them a lot, because changing a disc without a crack, without a worn, if a disc is not worn out, without crack, and everything is okay, this is the best way for you to save the money, to resurface it, to late it, to get it. Because doing this will also work for more than 2-3 years before it can only be get to this stage again. And these are the best useful ways to save a lot of money, to work on a rotor disc whenever you experience vibration when stepping a brake. Subscribe to Eric Auto Center to get more information on car and especially automotive mechanics out there. These are the best videos for you. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated whenever we upload a new video. Make sure you share the video, you like and comment, because we take our audience feedback seriously, and we will come and apply every comment. We will come and reply every comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay updated. So this is the initial stages, and looking at the previous stages, it was completed roughly, and now the thing is getting smooth and smoother. So this is the final result, and never drive your car in